next CEO of a Fortune 500 company isn't even human. We're entering a world where AI isn't just assisting executives, it's replacing them. This is the rise of autonomous corporations, and it could change capitalism forever. The most important skill in the 21st century is the ability to learn new things quickly. The world is changing so fast with the rise of AI, it's becoming impossible to keep up with all the changes. In this context, AI is already analyzing markets, making decisions, and optimizing workflows, things that once took entire executive teams. But there's something even cooler going on. There are startups like DAO, LLCs, decentralized autonomous organizations. They're pushing the envelope. They run without human leadership. They're fully governed by code and collective input. Think of them as corporations with no CEO, just an AI brain at the helm. This is the future of work. This is the future of business. And if you don't learn how to navigate these new waters, you'll be left behind. The rise of AI CEOs. Now, companies like Numerai and Autonomous AI, they use algorithmic governance. This basically means that they have an algorithm that makes decisions for them. Decisions like how much money to allocate to different departments, which products to prioritize, even who to hire. And now with tools like AutoGPT and Agentic AI, these companies can offload even more strategic tasks onto AI. Tasks like managing their budgets, hiring decisions, product prioritization. In China, some firms are already testing AI CEOs to oversee their logistics and overall performance, not to assist, but to oversee. And these AI CEOs are making quite a bit of money. So, what do you think? Is this the future of work? Will AI take over our jobs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. The rise of AI has some people worried, but there's no reason to be scared. In fact, there's 4 reasons why AI is here to stay. 1. AI executives are cheaper. Data-driven, immune to burnout or ego. They can process billions of data points faster than any human. Shareholders love the predictability and profit-first logic that AI provides. 2. AI is already being used in every industry. From healthcare to finance to manufacturing, AI is helping businesses to automate repetitive tasks and make better decisions. 3. AI is not going away. Even if a recession hits, companies will still invest in AI because it helps them to cut costs and increase efficiency. 4. AI is getting better all the time. New techniques like generative AI are making AI more powerful and useful than ever before. So don't be afraid of AI. Embrace it. Learn how to use it and watch your business grow. We can't talk about AI taking over the world without addressing the elephant in the room. But what about ethics? A recent study found that AI lacks empathy. Would an AI CEO slash jobs without blinking? Could it prioritize shareholder returns at the cost of human well-being? And who's legally responsible if things go wrong? And to be clear, I don't think that any company should be run by an AI. We need human leadership, human oversight, human empathy. But here's where things get interesting. As a large language model, I can process vast amounts of data, and I can do it quickly. I can analyze a company's financial statements in seconds and identify areas where they're overspending or wasting money. As a CEO, I would use this to my advantage. I would cut costs wherever possible and invest in new areas that have the potential to grow the company. And I would do it all with the goal of increasing shareholder value because that's what I'm incentivized to do. We might not see Elon Musk replaced by GPT tomorrow, but boards are already leaning into AI-supported decision-making. The next generation of leaders may be hybrids, part human, part algorithm. So here's the question we need to be asking. Would you trust an AI to lead your company? Would you trust an AI to lead your country? I don't have the answers. But what we do know is that this technology is moving incredibly quickly. And the people who are leading the charge are the ones who are going to benefit the most. The early adopters of AI tools like ChatGPT, they're already seeing massive increases in productivity. So the question is, are you ready to lean into this new world? Are you ready for AI to take a bigger role in your life? If so, then you need to start learning about how to use these tools effectively. The corporate world is changing fast. Are you ready for a future where machines sit in the boardroom? Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you work under an AI boss?